Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about method overriding, and for that I'm going to create a class called animal. It's going to have a method def eat, and I'm going to say print the animal is eating. I'm going to push this down a little bit, and I will go down here. I'll create another class called rabbit, and it's gonna inherit from animal colon, and I'm gonna put here pass, and I will go down here. I'll type rabbit equals to rabbit. I'm gonna type rabbit dot eat. So now if let's push this, let's run this, and we get the animal is eating. But I want a specific implementation to a rabbit, so I want to have the eat method defined inside the rabbit class, and I want to make the eat method to make it specific to the way in which a rabbit is sitting. So instead of pass, I'm gonna type here def also eat. This is how you override a method. You give the same name as the method that you want to override, and I'm gonna type here super dot eat. This is gonna call the method from the parent class, and if in addition to that, I'm gonna add a print which is gonna say this rabbit is eating grass. Now if I run this, you get the animal is eating and this rabbit is eating grass. So now it's using our own implementation of the eat method. We call the functionality from the parent, and on top of that we add some new functionality which is specific to a rabbit. So this is method overriding. I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you in the next